Did you know that over 450 horse farms call the Bluegrass region home, making Lexington, Kentucky the undisputed horse capital of the world? But here's what will blow your mind. You can actually walk through the barns where Kentucky Derby winners live, feed thoroughbreds that have earned millions of dollars, and even meet racing legends that have made sports history. Most people think horse country means just watching from a distance, but I'm about to show you 10 incredible adventures that put you right in the saddle. Today I'm counting down the top 10 horse country experiences you can only have in Lexington, from getting up close with champion stallions to behind the scenes access that even longtime racing fans don't know exists. Lexington isn't just about watching horses, it's about experiencing the entire thoroughbred world that has shaped American racing for over 150 years. These aren't your typical tourist attractions where you wave at horses through fences. I'm talking about hands-on adventures where you'll touch future champions, learn breeding secrets from industry insiders, and discover why this rolling Kentucky landscape produces the fastest horses on earth. I'm counting these down from amazing to absolutely unmissable, and my number one pick offers access so exclusive that even horse industry professionals are impressed by what you'll experience. Starting our countdown at number 10, Kentucky Horse Park serves as the perfect introduction to horse country, with over 1 million visitors each year discovering why Kentucky earned its legendary reputation. This 1,200-acre working horse farm and educational theme park has been celebrating our relationship with horses since 1978. You'll meet champion horses from various breeds, explore the International Museum of the Horse, and witness live horse shows that showcase everything from dressage to driving competitions. What makes the horse park special is how it combines entertainment with education. You're not just looking at horses, you're learning about their history, care, and the deep connection between humans and these magnificent animals. The park also features over 260 spacious campsites if you want to extend your horse country adventure. And the grounds are beautiful year-round, with seasonal events that keep bringing visitors back. At number 9, experiencing morning workouts at Keeneland Racecourse gives you a behind-the-scenes look at how champions are made. Starting at dawn, you can watch thoroughbreds train on the same track where legends like Secretariat once ran. The morning atmosphere is electric as horses thunder past in their preparation for upcoming races, with trainers calling out instructions and jockeys fine-tuning their partnerships with these athletic marvels. What makes this experience incredible is the accessibility. You can get remarkably close to the action, and the early morning light creates a magical atmosphere as mist rises from the track. Keeneland's morning workouts are free to attend, and the track's intimate setting means you'll hear hoofbeats, feel the ground vibrate, and witness the incredible speed that makes thoroughbred racing so thrilling. Pro tip: arrive early for the best viewing spots and dress warmly. Kentucky mornings can be crisp even in summer. Number 8 takes you to Mill Ridge Farm, where you'll cruise through one of Kentucky's most beautiful properties while learning about breeding and raising young thoroughbreds. This isn't just a local operation. Mill Ridge has an international reputation and has contributed to thoroughbred breeding programs around the world. The farm's rolling pastures and pristine facilities showcase the art and science of creating champion racehorses. What makes Mill Ridge special is their educational approach. You'll learn how bloodlines are carefully selected, how foals are raised from birth to yearling sales, and the incredible attention to detail that goes into developing future champions. The farm's longtime manager, Price Bell Jr., offers special experiences that dive deep into Lexington's racing history, and you'll see why this farm has been integral to the city's equine heritage. The scenic beauty alone makes this worth the visit, but the insider knowledge you'll gain about the thoroughbred industry is priceless. At number 7, Ashford Stud offers one of the most impressive stallion experiences in horse country, where you'll meet some of the biggest names in racing history. This farm is home to multiple Eclipse Award winners and horses that have earned millions in prize money. What makes Ashford Stud incredible is the caliber of horses you'll encounter. These aren't just any thoroughbreds, these are proven champions whose offspring command top dollar at yearling sales. The stallion barns are designed for both horse comfort and visitor amazement, with spacious stalls that allow you to get remarkably close to horses that have made sports history. Your knowledgeable guide We'll share stories about each stallion's racing career, breeding success, and the bloodlines that make them so valuable. The stallion business represents the pinnacle of the thoroughbred industry, and this tour gives you exclusive access to horses that most people only see in winner's circle photos. Be prepared for some serious walking. You'll be on your feet for the entire experience, but it's worth every step. Number 6 brings you to WinStar Farm's exclusive training center, where you'll watch horses train on their private dirt track from the clocker's stand with coffee and donuts in hand. WinStar has produced multiple Kentucky Derby winners, and this behind-the-scenes experience shows you exactly how champions are developed. The training center features state-of-the-art facilities that rival anything at major racetracks, but with the intimate atmosphere of a working farm. You'll learn about training techniques, fitness regimens, and the careful progression that takes a young horse from pasture to racetrack. What makes this experience unique is the access. You're viewing from the same position that professional clockers use to time workouts, giving you insider perspective on how horses are evaluated for racing potential. The early morning timing means you'll see horses at their most energetic, and the professional quality track surface showcases the incredible speed and athleticism that makes thoroughbred racing so captivating. Coming up in our top 5, you'll discover hands-on experiences where you can actually touch and feed horses worth millions of dollars. At number 5, Lane's End Farm delivers the ultimate stallion experience where you'll meet horses that have shaped modern thoroughbred racing. This farm has stood stallions that have sired Kentucky Derby winners, and their current roster includes some of the most sought-after breeding stock in the world. What sets Lane's End apart is their presentation. The stallions are brought out for close-up viewing, allowing you to appreciate their size, athleticism, and the presence that made them champion racehorses. The farm's knowledgeable staff shares detailed information about each horse's racing career, breeding record, and the bloodlines that make them so valuable to the industry. You'll learn about the stallion business from experts who work with these horses daily, and the stories about famous offspring will give you a new appreciation for thoroughbred pedigrees. The farm's beautiful facilities and professional presentation make this experience feel like a private viewing for industry insiders, but it's open to horse enthusiasts who want to understand what makes a champion. Number 4 offers something truly special at Three Chimneys Farm, a hands-on experience where you can actually touch and interact with horses in a well-rounded tour that covers the entire thoroughbred business. This isn't just looking through fence rails. You'll have opportunities to get up close and personal with mares, foals, and other horses while learning about their care, feeding, and daily routines. Three Chimneys has a reputation for both champion racehorses and exceptional visitor experiences, with enthusiastic guides who love sharing their passion for horses. You'll learn about the breeding process, foal development, and the careful management that goes into raising future champions. What makes this experience incredible is the interaction. You might help feed horses, touch a pregnant mare, or meet young foals that are just beginning their journey toward the racetrack. The farm's comprehensive approach means you'll understand every aspect of the thoroughbred business, from conception to racing career, and the hands-on elements create memories that last far beyond your visit. At number 3, Spendthrift Farm offers access to some of the most famous names in racing history, including horses whose names are legendary in thoroughbred circles. This farm has been home to multiple Hall of Fame horses, and their current stallion roster includes horses that continue to influence the sport through their offspring. What makes Spendthrift extraordinary is the quality of horses you'll encounter. These are proven champions whose racing careers captivated millions of fans. The farm's presentation focuses on the horses' achievements, bloodlines, and the ongoing impact they have on thoroughbred breeding. You'll hear stories about famous races, record-breaking performances, and the bloodlines that connect today's champions to legendary horses of the past. The farm's beautiful facilities provide the perfect setting for appreciating these magnificent animals, and the knowledgeable guides make complex pedigree information accessible and fascinating. This is where you'll truly understand why certain bloodlines are so highly prized and how champion racehorses continue to influence the sport long after their racing careers end. Number 2 combines two of Kentucky's most famous traditions, bourbon and horses, in an experience that captures the essence of bluegrass culture. While not exclusively a horse farm tour, this combination experience shows you how bourbon and thoroughbreds are intertwined in Kentucky's heritage. You'll visit working horse farms in the morning and then explore the bourbon making process at Woodford Reserve, learning how the limestone filtered water that nourishes the horses also creates some of the world's finest whiskey. The bourbon distillery tour includes tastings where you'll learn to identify over 200 different flavors, and the connection between the land, water, and both industries becomes clear. What makes this combination perfect is how it showcases Kentucky's unique culture, the same rolling hills, pristine water, and attention to tradition that create champion horses also produce world-class bourbon. It's a full-day adventure that appeals to horse enthusiasts and bourbon lovers alike, offering a complete immersion in Kentucky's most famous traditions. And my number one horse country adventure is Unique Horse Farm Tours, offering 30 years of exclusive insider access to the most prestigious farms in the Bluegrass region. What makes this experience absolutely unmissable is the level of access you'll receive. You'll explore barns that aren't typically open to the public, feed horses with championship lineage, and touch yearlings and mares in an up-close manner that most tours simply can't provide. These tours visit farms that have been operated by the same families for generations, using time-honored methods that have contributed to the region's success for over a century. The guides are true horse industry insiders with decades of experience, and they'll share stories, techniques, and access that you simply can't get anywhere else. You'll see history in action as you visit farms where champions are born, raised, and prepared for racing careers. The exclusive nature of this experience means small groups, personalized attention, and opportunities to ask detailed questions about every aspect of the thoroughbred business. This is where you'll truly understand why Lexington is the horse capital of the world. And there you have it, 10 incredible horse country adventures that showcase why Lexington, Kentucky stands alone as the horse capital of the world. From touching million-dollar thoroughbreds to watching future champions train at dawn, these experiences connect you to a tradition that has shaped American racing for generations. Whether you're a lifelong horse lover or simply curious about this unique culture, these adventures offer something for everyone. The combination of world-class horses, beautiful scenery, and passionate people makes Lexington a destination unlike anywhere else on earth. If this guide has inspired your own horse country adventure, make sure to subscribe to My Leather Travel Bag for more insider destination guides that take you beyond the typical tourist experience. Hit that notification bell and let me know in the comments which horse country adventure you're most excited to experience.